Hello folks, I just want to make a quick video on how you should just keep the Termex simple and be aware of the memory that it takes up. I just uninstalled the Termex like an hour ago, and I just recently reinstalled it. I also uninstalled the Userland app, which is similar to Termex. I like Termex better, so I just want to show you the first thing that I usually do is package, upgrades. I showed this before and I keep showing it over and over again. I guess I should make this small. Package upgrade dash Y for yes. Package up. No. I made a mistake. By the way, I'm using the technical keyboard in case you're wondering what's the name of this keyboard. Date. Control E to get to the end and then package. And in case you didn't watch the other video I mentioned the shortcut keys. There are 3 shortcut keys: Control A, Control E, and Control U. Control A goes to the beginning, Control E goes to the end, and Control U erases anything that is to the left. So if I go to Control A and press Control U, nothing will happen. But if I'm at the end, Control U will erase anything that's towards the left of the cursor. It will another way to the result. So it's like a backspace, like a super backspace. Anyway, package up, grade. Basically, I'm telling the terminal what to do. And these happen from left to right whenever you type scripts or commands. Package, install. VIM, MC, Ranger, W3M, Python, I guess. E-links, oh yeah, W get girl GIT. What the hell? Here. Why not? And nmap. Nmap. I don't know what these things. I never really use these things, but let's get play audio. Termex API. After that, oh yeah. Hold on. Dash. Yes, and then something else. Oh yeah. Termex. Alright, let's see how this goes. Basically, you want the minimum amount of packages that you need, because this should be used more like a learning tool. And I guess if you want to maybe see what's happening in the news, you can use the W3M web browser, and without getting ads, pop-up ads. Of course, you won't get the pictures or GUI things that usually you're used to, but I think it's worth it to not have the GUI and not have ads popping up everywhere and taking the long to load. Then to and also I want. So it's basic packages like Python, VIM, W3M, Play Audio. So I don't know why the P root. I don't really need it. GIT. I'm not gonna install anything. I'm not gonna do the. Put it this way. I'm not even gonna install ZSH or Fish. Basically, Bash is good enough. Simple, direct. There's no complications. And like you could open up multiple sessions. You can multitask with this. You could jump back and forth. See, you can name this. Like if I wanted to name this, I just hold it for like 2 seconds, and then I could just type in home. Then over here, I can type in something else. Go home. Okay, so let's see if it's working. As you can see, it's working. What was the last command? I'm not sure if it did this, so let's copy that. Let me just make sure that that's the command you need in order to actually see the storage. That's the actual storage of the system, of the phone or the tablet. Right now I have the phone, so we're typing tablet. As you can see, and this is not like virtual storage, like this is the actual like system, whereas the user land and many other virtual Linux systems don't actually show you the system storage. I can delete things directly from this terminal, just like if you had the command prompt on a PC or the Windows PowerShell. So it's cool. Another thing you should always do, of course, is just type, have aliases, of course, to make the bash easier. Also, just so you know that whenever you have aliases included in the bash or the bashrc or .bashrc or bash.bashrc, basically the tab, you can use the tab key to autocomplete. Made a mistake there. You're not supposed to use spaces between single quote. Don't forget about that. And by the way, this is a shortcut. If you wanted to say I wanted to copy this. This is short. You could do it on the screen. Just hold it, or press escape. Then V for visual. Then use the arrow key. Say I just want the word alias. I would just use the right arrow. And then I think it's Y to copy. Then P. As you can see, it's good to know. Escape GG goes all the way to the top. iPhone set. This keyboard is called Technical Keyboard. It's available for free. Technical Keyboard. I have it on. The theme, you gotta select the theme, it's Theta. There's different themes. It'll restart naturally. See, don't really like the other themes. Go all to the bottom, select theme, like Theta. So yeah, so the first thing you should always do. Well, I realize every time I press clear, I always want to list the files as well. If I so it's I guess might as well. Obviously, you want to use the aliases to save time. That's the whole point. Some basic W3M is the web browser, by the way, and it's pretty fast, so I like the browser. I guess I can use this. Escape. Save and exit is WQ. If you have a file and it's not supposed to be rewritten, it's not rewritable, then you would have to type in Q and then exclamation, which that means to exit without saving. But we actually want to save and exit. So type in bash. Now it should be okay. Oh wait, I forgot to do one last thing. And generally you should home, that means home. Insert. You could choose whatever you want to do. Clear. Well, we want to add, obviously, use the my aliases file. I don't know. Eventually, I want to write a script to like start the morning. For example, uh, if I wanted to like start a song when I turn on the terminal, then ask me if I want to see the news or play a game or stuff like that. So, to I guess I could type in LS. It's always good to know what you're. Let me see something. See how this looks. Press up. Whenever you use VIM, and you can have it has a history of the commands. Okay. Let me restart it. Yeah, it worked. As you can see, it worked. And if you want to always have access to the storage, you can just type in, like echo cd storage and put that into the .bash. Let's see. You have to use 2 arrows if you don't want the whole file to be erased. That'll be on the bottom, the CD storage. But it'll. Okay, so now if I type this, basically if I type in bash. Okay, as you can see, it worked. Now there's gotta be there's gotta. Oh, I see. I'm not in the home directory yet. I forgot. Be very mindful of the fact that in order to access files, you always have to know your location. So press CD to get home. Now I type ls. Now if I type vim.bashrc, as you can see, it works. So you see now, like if I wanted to play a song, you can use the play audio and download a song. I'm not sure if I could actually, I'm not sure how to download. Let me just see something. just want to see, but I gotta figure out how to download the. I guess they're not as famous. Trying to think of a good song. I can't think of anything. Just gonna put the Cranberries. Oh. Nothing. For some reason it's having a lot more trouble than I thought it would. Yeah, I'm sure you can figure it out though. It's not hard. Links. This is links. I don't think I can see photos on this thing. I think I can use the arrow to go back. Yes. So I guess I would recommend E-Links more than I would W3M because you can press G and go to a different site. Anyway, I'm sure you can use wget to figure out where you want to go. I mean, wget to get the file to download the file. Oh, let me use my alias. The hell, you gotta freaking install man separately. Manual. Anyway, wget is obviously the program you need to download a file. I'm sure there's other ways, plenty of other ways. There's always another way. Okay. By the way, if you wanted to like put this into a separate file, whatever, you could easily just do this. Oh, sorry about that. Just do this. Man, wget. Then you use this to create a new file, and then you just type in wget. Intro or so now if I type in L, you can see W, and I could open that. I could just look at it. I just type in this. But if I wanted to look at this in less, or just type in now, I can view it in the last program. Well, I didn't realize there was so much. What? Are you serious? Let me see something. It's a lot of data. Why so much data? I know my memory's running out. Well, thanks for watching. Goodbye.